If you find yourself with a camera in your hand and want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment below. Hi Photos family, today we have a mimic challenge and this is our week's challenge. So take out your PDF that you've downloaded, and if you've altered it, get your alteration out. But I want you to take this framework in this week's challenge, take a photograph that you want to mimic, and fill out the details of this quote cheat sheet or this worksheet. Either give a range of what you think the ISO is the photographer used to shoot, and then fill out the what you see in evidence of why the shutter speed is either faster or slower, and according to the amount of space in focus, do your best to estimate if it was a wide open aperture in the lens or if it was narrowed down. And then also take note of what they used to compose their photograph, what they used to frame out their sides of their image, and what they used to draw your attention from other parts of the image into your subject. The overall composition, just as a mass, what did it look like and how did they use the different details, pieces of debris or anything else in the photograph to draw your attention to the subject. Once you've got those narrowed down, then you can kind of fit out what the contrast is and how that aids the photograph. You can also use the focus in here to kind of help you wrap your mind around what they did and how they achieved the look. Once you do that, then in future weeks, you can go create or recreate the look that you love so much in their photograph, in your own photograph, and be able to work at seeing something that you love in a photograph and learn to take that technique and make it your own. We love to help others grow and improve, to level up their skill, as we say on the channel, and I love doing that for myself. So as I find things that help me and work for me, I love sharing them with you. Other things that I think may be a help for you that weren't so much for me, but they may fit somebody else's personality type, I love to share that also with you. So we enjoy being able to bring these different tips, tricks, and tools of the trades in photography and videography to our channel. We thank you so much for being a part of it. Leave us a comment down below of what's helped you and what you can share with us of what you found to help you on your photography journey. Give us a thumbs up and join our Photos family by subscribing. We would love to have you. Thank you so much. God bless.